From my point of view, an IT Paladin is somebody that lives to help others. It is not a person who wants to be the protagonist, who wants to be always at the front of things. We have the personality of people who don't mind doing a support role and helping others excel. We also are people who know how to say no and know how to say no when it is necessary to ensure excellence in others. So in my daily work, generally we go through the same rituals as everybody else, the Scrum stuff, except that we also have to dedicate a lot of time to seeing what's new, because both in security and in DevOps areas, it's always evolving, and we need to save time to catch up with all that's new. In a sentence, we make sure that our colleagues can deliver value faster to the customers and safer. All we need is a laptop and a good pair of headphones. So, good pair of headphones, jumping a Teams meeting with somebody can sometimes be a lot more important than having fancy gear. As I said earlier, the sense of teamwork and the sense of being a support is important. You can't just be a superhero, you need to be somebody who is able to work in a team and see others succeed. The best day you can have is you get to the end of the day without anybody annoying you. That means everything is working, everything is green, you automated everything, and everything is fine. That's the ideal day. We change the way the world works by making sure that people who are customers of the BMW Group have confidence in our products.